Good morning, Mr. Mike, what should we do? The machine suddenly stops working. We cannot wrap our products now.
Oh my God. Let me call the supplier now.
Sorry sir, we cannot fix it today. We need to change one of the spare parts. I will inform my colleague to quote to you first. Good morning, Mr. Mike, what should we do? The machine suddenly stops working. We cannot wrap our products now.
Don't worry. Let me call Syspex.
Mr. Mike, your machine is ready to use now.
Huh, so fast. How much do I need to pay?
There is no need to pay. Syspex rental program covers everything. So, if you think of packaging, think of Syspex. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Contact Syspex now.